Hi, myself Rishikesh Sandeep Udurkar. I am the team leader of our project Multipurpose Security Surveillance Robot. The aim of our project is to security surveillance the areas where with the help of robot like bomb affected zone, terrorist prone zone, and the places where it is hazardous for human to physically surveillance like fire, smoke, poisonous gases or nuclear radiations. And in such places the robot can effectively and efficiently work. The main application of this robot is bomb disposal. The idea of our project arises when the Pathankot airstrike mishap was happened. In that cases, one situation had arose where battleship between our soldiers and terrorists had happened, where our soldiers had to verify that if the terrorists had equipped with any suspicious things like grenades, so they used the wireless control robot made by DRDO, but unfortunately that gets stuck in the gravel. So they have to alternatively physically check by our soldiers if there is any bomb, and unfortunately one of the grenade was blasted, and unfortunately our one of our soldier was killed. So this was a very tragic situation, and we very feel sad about that. So we thought about serving our country something best, so we come with this project idea that this robot is has three significant things than the conventional bomb disposal robots. First is it consists of the rocker bogie mechanism as compared to the conventional caterpillar mechanism. So it gives the greatest maneuverability and it doesn't get stuck, and it gives the robot that it can uh, run at different heights. And second thing is the robot is equipped with three-dimensional controlling with the help of ultrasonic depth sensor by the distance operator. So robot can see how much away the any object is in centimeters from the robot. And third is last but not least is robot can be disassembled and into separate parts, and it can be packed in a small luggage bag so that it can be transported easily where it is needed. So it gives great portability of the robot. And last is its range is 1000 meters outside and 200 meters indoors. So that's all about it. And anyone any suggestions from anyone interested highly welcomed. And thank you very much for all.